What's up, guys? Been seeing some lat pull down machines that are quite scary. Your life isn't worth making something out of wood and these subpar pulleys. I wanted to share with you guys something that, fortunately I was taught at a very young age when I first got into bodybuilding. And what we have here is a lat machine, and I'll show you the rest of it, but you got some 1-inch solid 1-inch steel, and it's welded to this plate. Now you could use, and have used clutch plates from a car, out of a car, go to the junkyard, and all I did was simply drill right here with a hand drill, and I tapped it, threaded it, and then I went to the hardware store, and then I simply just squished this part so the weight will fit over it, and then I put a nut here so it won't back out. Another important part is you want to get something good and heavy, this kind of latch. The other thing is this cable is 1/4-inch cable. 2 of these clamps is more than enough, and then as you go up, all I did is tape that and make sure you have enough there in case it slips. This other part is just a ring that does not allow the cable to wear on the plastic. Moving up, you can see I have the same thing here. It's taped. S-hook. And then up above, you can see I got this I-beam here that supports my rafters. Well, if you look up there, let me zoom in on that. I got some grade A bolts. One there, and one there. They have a washer, a lock washer, a nut, and then a jam nut. This is 1/4-inch angle iron that I got from a machine shop. You can go to a steel shop and get that. Now the other side of this, you have some pulleys. These pulleys here are out of a car from an air conditioning unit, and they're bolted same way right through the angle iron. And the same way with this one here. Right here you have just a piece of good heavy rope. It's not rope, it's like a synthetic nylon type stuff. I use some shrink wrap, and I have this for probably well over 15 years. And then I have a clamp here, clamped it together, use some electrical tape to hold that in, put your hands in there, give you a different type of grip. I also got this. This is another type you can put on for push downs. And here you got your lat bar. It's a good heavy ring. It's drilled through the center, and then this I don't have a jam nut on it, but underneath it's peened over. It means took a punch and actually hammered this down and then punched along the threads so this cannot back out. Again, I just felt the need to show you guys the proper way you should be doing stuff. You can also use them pulleys up there on your floor rafters and make a side lateral. So in other words, you would take that pulley there and that pulley there, you would mount one there, and then say 10 feet away you would mount another one over there, and you would have two pulleys on each side. You'd run the cable from the floor just like that, so you'd have one there, and then you'd have one over here 10 foot away, and you'd stand in the middle and just get some copper tubing with some 90-degree elbows, run the cable through it, use some bicycle grips and put it on there before you solder that stuff together. And then you would have a place for your hand to grip, and you could do your side lateral pull downs.